Okay, today we are going to learn how we remove duplicates from a list of items. Here I have taken a list of letters. These are unsorted list of letters. So the first step that we take is to sort them either from A to Z or from Z to A. So I right click on this list of numbers, list of letters, and I sort them from A to Z. Continue with the current selection and it gets sorted. So this list of letters, I've just copy pasted them in the second column which says sorted letters. So I'm just going to undo them to bring them back to the list of unsorted letters. So after you've sorted them, there are different ways in which you can actually remove the duplicates. So the first method that I'm going to discuss is using the if function. So here the formula that I'm using is if b1 is equal to b2, then blank, otherwise it is equal to the letter. So basically what it does is here it is comparing A with the item just above it, and since they are not same, therefore it is returning me the value A. Now when I drag it down, that is I copy the formula in the first cell to the cells below it. So here, let's see how the formula is going to work. It is going to compare A with A, and since the condition is true, it is going to return you a blank. So basically what happens in the end, we are left with only the unique values, only the unique letters that we have over here. Now, in order to get a list of letters without these spaces, what I do is I just copy them, because here it is a list of formula. So I click on another cell and I will have to paste the values. I don't want to paste the formulae. I want to paste just the values. Then I select all of these letters and I sort them from Z to A. I continue with the current selection and therefore I get the list of unique letters. Now, had I sorted it from A to Z, I could have done that as well. But the only problem with that is that it gives you the list of letters towards the end of your selection and not towards the beginning. So aesthetically speaking, I think it is better if you sort it from Z to A. Now another method how you can remove the duplicates is you go to this method. You go to data, go to filter and advanced. So what I do is I go to data, go to sort and filter. There you have an option of advanced. So advanced filter action is copy to another location. So what is the range of letters that I want to sort from? So I'm going to select these letters that I've already sorted. Now there is no criteria. I'm going to copy it to this location. Okay, one second. Let me just remove this and do it again for you. So what I do is I go to advanced. I go to copy another selection. And I select this, I copy to this particular, copy to this particular cell. I select unique records only. So now what it is going to give me, it is going to give me all the unique values in this particular list. Now there is another method that you can remove the duplicates. That is you again go to data. Now here in data there is something called as data tools. In data tools, you'll have the symbol where there is a column and there are two blue cells. So it says remove duplicates. So what does it say? It says delete duplicate rules from a sheet. So just click on this. Okay, one second. So first select all of these. Let's click on this. Continue with the current selection. Remove duplicates. I hit OK and it removes all these letters, the duplicate letters. So these are all the methods that you can follow to remove the duplicate.